Where are you from?
I'm from South Korea.
You know, I'm from Bangladesh. Many girls have fascination for marry with South Korean boys.
Ah, yeah, I know. Many girls from Bangladesh.
Yeah, Bangladesh.
Yeah, Bangladeshi girl always come to Korea
Yeah,
for
you
getting
know.
married, and then they usually got a citizenship from there.
Yeah. So,
So, are you a student?
yeah. I'm a student of university.
Mm. University.
Yeah.
So, what is your major?
My major is Bengali literature. It actually our native subject. Maybe you don't know.
Maybe I don't know.
Yeah. The girls of Bangladesh are trying still to get married and want to settle in South Korea.
Mm.
If I talk about
Okay.
particularly, then they love BTS entirely.
BTS. Oh,
Okay.
even yeah, BTS. Okay.
Yeah. Anyway, they want to marry. If the
Marry with
person,
Korean guy.
yeah. If a boy who is belong from South Korea, it doesn't matter he has money or not. Just want to marry.
They just wanna get married with Korean guys.
Yeah.
Even they don't have a money and
Yeah.
they are not
No
handsome.
need to. No
They
need to worry. No
okay.
need to worry.
Just to have some
Partner.
fantasy from wow.
That's amazing.
Seriously?
Yeah, obviously.
Oh my gosh,
Okay.
Korea is getting
So,
popular.
yeah, completely popular in Bangladesh. You know? Yeah.
Mm.
You know?
So what about Korean girl?
Yeah, they are good as well. But I have a question. Korean girls have interest in get married with foreign people?
Yeah, not sure, not
Oh,
sure,
foreign
not
people.
sure. Mm, I don't know. I don't think so. I don't think so. Just
Yeah.
it's not too much. Not too much as Bangladesh girls or some kind of things. Yeah, it's not too much. Like some guys, some who wanna settle down outside, like I mean abroad, and they wanna get married with more Australian guys or OG people or yeah, England people or American. But you know, culture is so different. So sometimes we cannot understand their Western guys behavior because it's like
Yeah, their behavior
yeah,
is their behavior are different from South Korea.
yeah.
Their
South Korean is a little bit conservative because you know some guy just say hello, they just hug
yeah.
for saying hello. But yeah, Korea is totally different. So yeah, some Western guy come to Korea and then they just try to hug for just saying hello as a friend, and the Korean girl or guys feel like it's too much. Like oh my gosh, like this
Yeah.
because yeah, Korean is yeah, conservative. So that's why they don't like hug, even they are a close friend. They
Yeah.
we just to say hello and just shaking hand or some kind of things. That's it.
Oh, friendly,
We
yeah.
never touch. We never touch physically if we are not
Yeah.
couple or some kind of things.
Oh,
Yeah.
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 I understand.
Friends.
Like it's
It's
not as
differently.
usual in South Korea. Yeah.
You guys are a similar culture with us.
I mean, it's not common to hug in South Korea.
Oh yeah. Yeah, but I can do with my husband or yeah. When I was back then, if he is my boyfriend, I can hug.
Yeah.
But if he is only a friend, we never do that.
Yeah. I think mutual understanding is needed to hug. Am I
Yeah.
right?
Mm, yeah. Exactly.
So,
Relationship is
yeah.
romantically couple. They can hug. Mm.
So it is not forbidden by government of South Korea, right?
Oh, say that again. I couldn't catch you.
I said to you that it's not forbidden by South Korean government to hug each other in a public place.
We can do. We can do. We can do, but our mindset is a little bit different. Like, oh, they are a couple or not? If they hug and then, oh, okay, they are a couple. We just thought about it, but yeah, deep inside, oh my gosh, it's feel too much.
Yeah, yeah, I understand. Like
Mm.
in American country, like they are used to hug. That's their ritual. I mean, South Korean girls prioritize money more than an educated person. Is it right or wrong?
I
You ask
mean,
me?
Yeah, yeah,
yeah.
Sorry, can you say that
yeah, yeah.
again?
I'm asking that South Korean girls prioritize
Mm.
money more than educated person. Is it right or wrong?
So, education person? You mentioned education person?
Educated.
Mhm.
Educate, educated person who graduated university or yeah, master degree, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
So, mm,
yeah, yeah. And also, I said that it's one person who is good enough, benevolent, educated will, I think, get more prioritized by South Koreans girl. I mean, South Korean girls love educated
Barsoon?
person,
no,
man.
it's depend on the girls type or yeah, it's depend on. It's not important actually. Personally, is more important for get a how can I say that? Could be I don't know how can I say that. Yeah, it's not just depend on the person. Yeah, somebody just wanna get someone who is educated, who is high education. But yeah, in my case, I just look for. I was looking for my husband like a good personality or good looking.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah, I don't need to check someone who is he is graduated good university or some kind of this. It's not important for me.
yeah, yeah. Understand.
Mm.
Yeah,
So what about you?
yeah.
Which
If
one is
if
most
you know,
important
yeah,
things
yeah. If
for
I
getting your
yeah,
girlfriend?
if I talk about me, first of all, the partner should be well educated. Secondly, she has must ability to take care me. Okay, she has to always love me.
That is the most important thing
Yeah, yeah.
for
That's
you.
foremost thing.
Oh,
She should not be fall
okay.
in love after our marriage. It's totally forbidden.
Okay. Mm.
Mm. Karina, you guys
So,
Yeah. And after that, I will
pardon me?
I will get married with my person. I mean with my partner.
So, which age is best age for getting married?
In Bangladesh, I
Yeah.
mean in Bangladesh, actually it depends on a person. If the person is well educated, then maybe he takes more time, around the age of 30.
Uh,
but the person who is
Okay.
uneducated, so it's usually to get married early in Bangladesh
Mm,
perspective.
so what is your opinion? Or when do you want to get married?
Maybe around 26 age,
Oh,
because
after
yeah,
years.
you know, actually we have to be self financials, I mean self dependence. It's
Yeah,
initial
yeah.
foremost thing. It's I have no capability to make money. It's bad for me to cope up with them, I mean cope up with the situation environment.
I think most of Korean guys look so similar with Chinese and Japanese. Yeah, today actually some guy asked me like, "Are you Uzbekistan girl or some kind of this?" I don't know. Everybody asked me like different kind of country.
Yeah,
So I don't.
In my in my
so
experience and
you
Japanese,
you have been living in South Korea from your childhood.
I was born in South Korea, so I just curious why you asked my. I don't know.
I'm wondering that you a little bit like Chinese people, I mean Chinese girl, and that's why.